Jesus is Lord. Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, okay? Use portrait mode. After you are done, record this empty background of the tree for a few seconds or minutes. After that, you run in. Just look around. Look at what I am doing. Then you run and touch that tree. Then after that, you can now walk out. Alright? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace, okay? Click it and go and look for volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on that good and go back. Now we want to make a split. At this point, click on the video, make a split, okay? Then click on this one and swap it to the other side. Swap it, alright? So swap it now. If there are unwanted parts, you can trim them out or cut them out. Look at what I'm going to be doing. This is where I want to start. I trim this part out. Then after that, now you move the video, right? Move the video, move the video. Immediately I touch the tree, I will click on the video and make a split. Delete the center part. I don't need it again. So at this point now, I will click on that middle. The middle part where there was a split. Look at that split middle part. You click on it. You add mist. You add mist so that your disappearing will look good. Look at it now. Good. So after that now, we want to be clicking on effect, right? Look at this place where I make a run. I click on effect right now. Click on effect, guys. Video effect. Alright, allow it to load. Go and look for nature now. Look for nature. Look for nature. Click on nature now. I want to add this one, right? I mark on the good and go back and come and trim it the way I want it to be. After trimming it now, then I will mark on that arrow and go back so that we'll add thunder sound to that light we added. Mark on this arrow here, then you go back. You click on audio now. Click on sounds. Then you come here and write thunder sound on search. But I'm not writing it because I have it. I will just click on that thunder sound there. I will allow it to load, alright? Look at it as load. You click them one by one. You choose the one you like, right? After clicking them, look at I've choose this one. As I bring it in, I will click it. I will make a split because it's too long. I will make a split, then delete the last part. This part is okay for me, alright? Then after that, I will click on that sound again. Click on the sound again. Disappearing sound. I'm not searching because I have it there. You allow it to load, alright? Then you take the disappearing sound that is preferably to you as you click them one after the other. I've taken one, alright? Good. That disappearing sound. Then I'll click here and make a split. I'll delete this part. Delete this part. I don't need it again. Good. That disappearing sound is okay. Come and click on effect. As you mark that arrow and go back, click on effect. We want to add light so that you're disappearing. You click on body effect. Then you look at this light. I want to use this light. This one is okay. Then I'll take time now to adjust it, trim it and make it look good. Good. So this light is what I want to be using now. So at the end of adding this light now, you mark on that arrow and go back, alright? Mark on the arrow and go back. Click on overlay now. Add overlay. You import your light to workspace. If you need this light, DM me, I will send it to you, alright? Click on the light and make a split. Delete this part. We don't need it again. You come here, locate where you want the light to stop. You click it and make a split. You delete the last part. Click on the light and bring it to your video to align. After that, you click on the video now and go and look for splice. Click on splice. Click on filter. Okay. Mark on that good and go back. Then you adjust your light. Alright. Take it to the point of the tree. Take it to the tree. then you want to trim it. To me, the light is too long, it's too big. I want to trim the size I want. After trimming it now, you go and click on right, click on keyframe now. So click on keyframe, then you come to the ending part of the video as you click on keyframe and expand the light to cover the video. So put it on the tree, make it cover the video at the end now. Then let's see how the light is. Look at it here now. But I do not want that sound on that light. I will click on the light and look for volume, reduce it to 0, mark on that good and go back. Alright, because I don't need the sound of the light. Then at the end now, click on this very place, make a split, remove the unwanted part. So this point now, we want to add shake to this video, right? We'll be clicking on that arrow to go back, alright? Then you click on effect again. Click on video effect now, video effect, alright? Allow it to load, okay? Then click on that nightclub. Click on the nightclub now, allow it to load. Look at that shake effect, click on it. Look at it now, mark on that good and go back. So at this point now, I feel and I think that this video is ready. So you play the video to see the result you have got. Alright, this is good. So at this point, what will be remaining on this video now is to add your other effects. Alright, other effects you want to add, your sound and other. After adding them, you can now export this your video. But if you don't know how to add them, don't worry, my number is at the description of this video. DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your sound and the colors, the remaining effects, and after that you can now export this your video with ease. So at this point, this video, I feel and I think that the video is ready. So what will be remaining now is for us to export this video to our gallery. So you click on export and export your video to your gallery. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it in your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, do well by subscribing to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay safe.